Myself Kalpana Patekar and my USN is 51. My topic is custom annotation. Annotation means that is used to provide the metadata to your Java code. In that, creating your own annotation. It is possible to create your own annotation, that is custom annotation or the Java annotation. When you create your own annotation that are defined in their own file, just like a Java class or the interface that is shown below. Syntax for creating your own annotation is: at interface my annotation, data type 1, variable name 1, data type 2, variable name 2, semicolon, data type 3, variable name 3, semicolon, close of flower bracket. We can declare here n number of data type and variable name. Example for this is: at interface my annotation, open up flower bracket, string value, it is the data type and value is the variable name, string name, int age, string and new names, open and close bracket, close flower bracket, close flower bracket. In this example defines the annotation, that is my annotation is the name of that annotation. It has 4 elements, that is string value, string name, int age and new names. The interface that we have written is the one of the keyword. This keyword provides the signals to the Java compiler that this is telling that this is the Java my annotation. And in this example element defined is in this example element that are defined as similar to the elements that are similar syntax that are defined in the syntax interface. It has both the data type and name, and we can use here in place of simple data types we can use the primitive data types, and also the arrays can be used as the data types. But the complex object for the data in place of data types we can't use. And to enter the values in this annotation we can write the code as follows: at my annotation, open up bracket, simple bracket, value equal to 1 2 3, name equal to Vidya, and we have to write that string in the double inverted quotes, age equal to 37, new names equal to then Suraj, public class my class. And as we can see in this code that we have to specify the values to the each element provided in the my annotation. Next is element default values. We have to declare the, here we can also specify the default values for the element. When we specify the default values to the elements, they can be optional or they can be left out. Example for specifying the default values are: at interface my annotation, open flower bracket, string value. In front of string value we are given the default as one of the word, and open and close double quotes, close of semicolon, string name, int age, string new name. It is same as said before, but in front of string value the word default is provided. Default is provided in this example. Element value will be, so because of providing the default word in front of value, the element value can be left out. When we insert the values in this, the code will be: at my annotation, name equal to Vidya and age equal to 37, new names equal to then Suraj, public class my class. Here we can see it will not taken the value for the element value. As before we said, it is taken the value for the element value also, but when we, because of declaration of default word, so we can't, it will left it value, this element value is left out. In the custom annotation there are four the following annotations: document, documented, target, retention and inheritance. These 4 are important from the package called as java.lang. Annotation. First of all, at documented. The at documented annotation is the marker annotation that tells the Java document tool that the annotation should be documented. It is a marker that tells the Java document tool that the annotation should be undocumented, and it is documented is destined only for the annotation declaration. Annotation declaration, and the example for the documented is import java.lang.annotation document. This is because it is imported from this package. It is a package dot documented. At documented public at interface my annotation. This is the name of the annotation. Open and close flower bracket. At my annotation public class my super class, open and close flower bracket. When generating the Java document for the my super class, the class my annotation is now added to the Java document. When generating the Java document for my super class, my annotation class is added to the Java document. Then you can use the my annotation in place of document. It can be you can use the document or not, and we can also use it or may not be use it. Second one is target. It is the tag that is used to specify the which type of annotation is used. It is a tag that used to specify the which type of annotation is used. It is that target takes an argument which is constant from the element type. The element type, it will take the argument from the element type which should be constant, and it is taken from java.lang.annotation.element type. Possible constant values for element types are element type constant values, type, field, method, constructor, local variable, annotation, type, parameter, package. And for the type constant element type, this can be applied for class, interface and enumeration. Field can be only applied to fields, method can be only applied to method, and so on. Example for the target is at target element type dot field. This is the element type that is constant. Public at interface field information, open and close flower bracket. At target open bracket element type dot type. This is the element type that is constant, which can be used to class, interface and enumeration. Element type field, element type dot field. Field is the only applied to the fields. Element type dot method, and methods also only applied to the methods. At interface my annotation, open up flower bracket, int value 1, string value 2, open and close. Third is at retention. The at retention annotation is used to specify at which level this annotation will be available, and there are 3 such policies where we can find out this annotation that can be found in java.lang.annotation.retention policy. You can specify your custom annotation if it should be available in runtime. If you want the custom retention at the runtime, then we can specify your own custom annotations. We can do so by annotating your annotation definition with the at retention annotation. Here is how that can be done. Retention policy, as using retention policy we can be done the annotating. So that our retention policies are source, class and runtime. So source refers to the source code discarded during the compilation. That is because of discarded during compilation, it is not available in the compiled class. And class refers to the .class file available to the Java compiler, but it is not available to the Java virtual machine. It is included only in the class file. Runtime refers to the runtime available to the Java compiler and also for Java virtual machine. For example, import java.lang.annotation.retention, import java.lang.annotation.retention policy. You have to take this for taking the retention policy. At retention policy dot runtime, that is retention policy taken at interface my annotation open flower bracket int value 1 string value 2 close flower bracket. At retention annotation added above the my annotation definition. Fourth is inherited. The at inherited annotation masks the annotation to be inherited to superclass. This inherited annotation will be inherit its properties to the subclass, but by default this annotation can't be inherited to the subclasses. For example, at inherited at interface for everyone, this inherits the class for everyone. This can be used in the below. Next example, at interface for everyone, class my superclass, class my subclass, extend my superclass. In this example, the class subclass that is my subclass inherits the properties of the annotation for everyone because of my subclass inherits from my superclass as a everyone annotation. Thank you, ma'am.